Hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Woking in Surrey and going to show you around this fantastic replacement garage. How about this for a great upgrade? So originally this space incorporated just a garage, and this is the drive now, just comes to the side of the building. And the idea from the client was a garden room and with a potting shed area. And this has evolved actually during the build, which is quite rare for us. Normally we lock everything out at the beginning, but the client came with some ideas and I'm going to show you these around. This is a complete unique building based on our Kite Predesign. That's kind of squeezed in the middle here of this building with a store to the left. That's now been on site upgraded with lining and insulation to actually be used as a utility room. And in the right here is a potting shed, again done with the 10-year guarantee, with the cement board and the MTX cladding, UPVC windows into that potting area. But a really cool idea that the client had at the last moment, which we've incorporated. So let me just show you around. The first bit is that store. You've seen many of these from us before, but say this is lined and insulated, so it's actually used as a utility room because they don't have that in their relatively compact house. So got the fridge in there, lots of storage, tumble dryer, and they're really enjoying that because it's lined and insulated. That's got that all year round use. Now that's 1.5 meters wide. On the other side, a 1.5 meter wide potting shed, lots of glass. The whole idea is they can plant in here, and a little secret use that they've just designed is that chair comes in here and it gets used on a windy day just to enjoy the sunshine. This is uninsulated and lined, so you know, a relatively standard kind of shed, potting shed use, but with that lots of light and the glass door coming in. Works really nice, and keeps that guarantee. The cool bit is during the build, in the manufacturing, the client said, how about if we have a bit of glass so we can see through and get a lot of light in here? And that's what we've done. So within the partition, you've then got the glass looking through into the garden in this main room. So the main room is 4.2 meters wide, 3.1 deep. I'm going to open up the two doors just to give you a feel. It's our Kite Predesigned. So this is actually based on a pre-designed building, but it's just evolved a little bit and customised as we like to do to make it perfectly right. So 4.2 by 3.1. 1.5 by 3.1 utility room on the left, and then that potting shed on the right there with that integrated that glass just to bring it all through. I think that's a really lovely idea, furnished beautifully, being used tonight to host a meal for their friends. Got the integrated blinds into the glass, so if it does want to be used for occasional overnight stay, it can easily have that blackout blind option. They've put a lovely little sofa there, it's a sofa bed in there, and I really like that. Very unique, lovely integration of the light coming through the two rooms. Definitely something that we may suggest to clients in the future. So if this building is of interest to you, if you think this is a great way of upgrading your garage to something much more practical, then please do let us know by making comments below. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for sharing this. Thank you.